Welcome everybody. Today I'm going to be making Turkish lentil soup. So first of all, we saute the onions. I've used one onion here. You just want to saute it until it's soft. Then add in 3 cloves of garlic and saute them until they're also soft, but be careful not to let them burn. Then you want to add in your celery and stir that. After that, add in the carrots. You just really want to get all of the flavors mixed into your vegetables. Then add in all of the spices and mix those for around 2 to 3 minutes so that all the flavors come out of those spices into the vegetables. Then add in the potatoes. Next, add in your 2 tablespoons of tomato puree and stir that into the vegetables. Stir it for about 2 to 3 minutes until all the flavors are released. Then add in your lentils. I've just washed these lentils and rinsed them out. I haven't soaked them. There's no need to soak them. Then add around 7 cups of hot water and mix it up and leave it to simmer for about half an hour until all the vegetables are soft. Once it's cooked, then you can put it in a blender. I've blended my soup because I like it all smooth. You can blend some of it or part of it, or you can eat it as it is. And then add some lemon on top, and here you have your delicious soup.